Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick update of what my backyard is looking like right now as far as my garden and my succulents. So I wanted to just bring you along. I had to be out here cleaning up some broken lights that had fallen last night. So I figured I might as well jump on here and do a video because I haven't uploaded one this week. So I wanted to give you guys a little update. Here's some cuttings that I'm currently letting dry or callus over. I'm gonna do a project with them, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. Just wanted to show you what my garden is looking like. So I'll be working on another planter that I'm doing for my mother-in-law. She wants to give one to one of her other sisters, so I'm gonna be working on that. Probably not gonna record it because honestly I don't want to wear you guys out with my arrangements. I've done quite a few in the last month, so I figured you guys are over those. Also, it's a nice aeonium that got a little bit sunburned. This I got from Target for under like $5, under $5, and it was like, it's like a dog, I don't know, dog, it's a pet bowl, so like for dog food, but I put a hole in it, and I can't wait to pot up succulents in that. Here are some of the succulents I got. These ones right now, they're on sale at Home Depot. I'm not sure if they're all locations. In California though, they're trying to get rid of these. It's the brand Smart Planet, so they're selling their gallon succulents for $4 each. So I had to get these because I could put them in my arrangements. I could put them do projects with them, so I just figured I might as well swoop some up. I might go again, who knows. A lot of these ones down here are from my sister-in-law. She has a wedding business, and she's going to be having a succulent, doing succulent side pieces, and she's like, oh, let me get them and then you could just take care of them. So I'm housing those ones for her. These imbrickatas here are mine. Just a tip on imbrickatas, because I found that when I water them weekly, they do better than trying to water them less. So these ones I water weekly, once a week, and they're doing amazing. Yeah, for some reason I was just not able to keep my imbrickatas alive, and when I went to the nursery, I asked the lady at the nursery, like, well, how often do you water the imbrickatas, because for some reason my imbrickatas keep getting root rot. And she said once to twice a week. Maybe I'm just trying to baby them too much, and that's why they're getting root rot, because I'm depriving them of water and then giving them water. So now I just water them weekly because I wanted to stick to what they were used to instead of like shocking them. So there's a tip in case you are having problems with root rot on your succulents. Maybe you're going too long without watering them. I don't know. It's just something that I tried out and it's been working for me, so I'll keep you updated on that. But yeah, most of my succulents are doing well. Obviously those ones are goners. This is the type of sedum that I need to, it's just done. That used to look like that one right there. That one just, yeah, I don't know. It got too hot for it, and maybe I just didn't water it enough. So yeah, everything's looking pretty good. If you want any names of my succulents, let me know. This guy is stretching like crazy, so I'm gonna behead this one soon. But these ones are growing well, so I don't know why this one just decided to like reach for the sun. It is in this shade, which it gets a lot of sun through it. Let me back up so you can see. So I'm not sure what's going on with that guy, but I'm probably gonna behead it. Then we have this hanger that Nancy got me. I'm going to go ahead and pot that up soon. I don't know what I want to put in it yet, but I will definitely do a video of that. This one I need to redo. Look at, I beheaded this one because it was getting really long, and I just didn't want like the way it looks, so I chopped it. And now there's a stem baby. And here I chopped these too. There's that. And I'm not worried about chopping because they grow back so fast like these ones. I chopped probably like a week ago and it's already growing. So you can't be afraid to cut succulents. They are very resilient and they will grow back. You just keep on watering them. Like you let it callus over, but then you continue watering them as usual. So I did change the name of my channel to my succulent garden because I wanted the name of my channel to be a little more representative of what my channel is. So I figured I would change it. So that's why it's changed. My Instagram is still the same. In case you follow me on there, it's still the same. But yeah, other than that, I think that's it, guys. I just wanted to jump on here, give you a quick update of everything. My split rock is splitting well. Got some babies growing. I'm going to do a project, Halloween project, and I still need to do my video on my top dressings. So I will be working on that soon. I've been really busy with schooling and homework and being in the classroom, so that's why I just haven't been uploading as often as I was. But I'm going to still be giving you one video a week at least. So if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell to let you know when I do upload videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.